Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, a bold fusion of supercar attitude and luxury travel. From the outside, this motorhome instantly grabs attention with sharp Lamborghini-inspired lines, aggressive LED lighting, a low-wide stance, massive wheels, and a futuristic front fascia that feels more like a super SUV than a traditional RV. The aerodynamic bodywork not only looks insane but also improves stability at high speeds. Step inside and you're welcomed by a premium cockpit filled with carbon fiber accents, Alcantara upholstery, ambient lighting, and a high-tech digital control system. The living space offers luxury seating, a modern kitchen, smart storage solutions, and a comfortable sleeping area designed for long journeys. In terms of performance, this motorhome is powered by a high-output engine delivering impressive torque, smooth acceleration, and confident highway cruising despite its size. Advanced suspension, braking systems, and driver assist features make it surprisingly easy to handle. Overall, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement built for those who want extreme design, comfort, and power on the road. 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. See you in the next video.